Welcome to SYFT Learn and Excel Private Limited. Let's understand the world of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a popular branch of computer science that concerns with building intelligent smart machines capable of performing intelligent tasks. Artificial intelligence touches all parts of our lives today. We should enjoy its convenience without taking it for granted. Artificial intelligence refers to simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think like humans and mimic their actions. It is simple. AI is the branch of computer science that emphasizes the development of intelligence in machines thinking and working like humans. The term may also be applied to any machine that exhibits traits associated with a human mind such as learning and problem solving. AI is an artificial creation of human like intelligence that can learn, reason, plan, perceive, or process natural language. AI will bring immense socio-economic opportunities while also posing ethical and socio-economic challenges. Look at this diagram. These are the various components of artificial intelligence: machine learning, speech, vision, language processing, expert system, planning and optimization, and robotics. There are three types of artificial intelligence: artificial narrow intelligence, artificial general intelligence, and artificial super intelligence. What is deep learning, machine learning, and artificial intelligence? Deep learning is an AI function that imitates the workings of the human brain in processing data and creating patterns for use in decision making. Machine learning is the study of computer algorithms that improve automatically through experience. Artificial intelligence is intelligence demonstrated by machines, like the natural intelligence displayed by humans and animals, which involves consciousness and emotionality. It is said that AI can enable humans to focus on parts of their role that add the most value to their life. This is all possible due to artificial intelligence. It has made our life simple, easier, and convenient. The ability of machines to learn from behavior trends means certain repetitive tasks do not need human intervention anymore. A picture reinforces the concept. What comes naturally to humans is being taught to machines. If we meet a colleague outside the office, we recognize because our brain has stored the image. When we code into a program, it becomes artificial intelligence. AI is becoming a life essential like water and electricity. It is getting so embedded that we rarely sense its presence. Together with the internet, AI changes the way we experience the world now and has the potential to be a new engine for economic growth. You see, online search is one place where AI has taken over without us realizing it. It gives option we need and even guesses what we are looking for. We users do not realize it. Due to advancement of AI is making decisions and making our digital life simpler. It remembers things. Devices like Fitbit tells us how many steps covered in a day, what calorie we have lost, and monitors blood pressure and other metrics. Google Maps tells us the best route to take on any day and shows petrol or gas stations, restaurants, choice of places on the way. Many years back we had FM radio on mobile phones. Today we are doing video conferencing, internet with voice assistants, chatbots and much more. How the current industry is using artificial intelligence. Businesses for smoothing overall process, travel industry for predicting pricing pattern, social media for serving personalized experience. How Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, Myntra, Zabong and Paytm delivery boys and girls reaching at your door in perfect time and schedule besides traffic and holidays, there is artificial intelligence behind it. Some sectors are smartly using AI like retail, online retail, manufacturing, healthcare, agriculture and BFSI sectors. Artificial intelligence is being used in all sectors like in retail, healthcare, B2B sector, data modeling, advanced cybersecurity, and medicated media and entertainment. More digital, more artificial intelligence, vocal for local, more Atmanirbhar. Year 2021 will witness acceleration on technological adoption. Global clients will come to India. Local business will become more Atmanirbhar. Cloud technology, artificial intelligence and machine learning, cybersecurity services will definitely accelerate with collaboration with local. The post-COVID time will be focused on innovation and adoption of digital technology like 5G, cloud and data analytics and scientific advancement because when the world locked down due to COVID-19 pandemic spread, the internet remains opened. Thank you very much for watching us.